I'm let you finish.
Hey guys, I'm Chiranjeev and in this video I will tell you how to record WhatsApp calls on Android. With over 5 billion installs and 1 billion daily active users, WhatsApp is possibly the biggest instant messaging app ever. One of the best features that it offers is the option of voice calling. Since WhatsApp voice calling works over the internet, it is very reliable when it compared with normal phone calls that may face drops, voice clarity or other issues from time to time. As working professional, a recording call is something most of us do, mostly to keep a record of call that might prove useful in the future. So let's get started with how to record WhatsApp calls on Android. Honestly, there isn't any way to record WhatsApp calls on Android officially, but one method that I found is working without any issues is using a third-party call recording service. The bad news is that the app isn't supported on all Android devices. In fact, before we begin the process, go through the list of devices that this app could work on. The link of supported devices is down below in the description box. If your device is not on the list, there is a very high chance that it might not work for you. If you have a device that is listed in the Google spreadsheet, then follow these steps. Go to Google Play Store and search for Call Recorder Cube ACR and install it. When it's installed, launch the app and grant it all the important permission it asks for, like drawing over other apps, access to phone, contacts, etc. These permissions are used to give you a smooth performance so that you don't face any error while the app tries to detect incoming and outgoing calls. Once done, it will ask you for the access of accessibility service to make sure your phone supports VoIP call recording, voice over internet protocol. If you don't see this prompt, it means your phone doesn't support this feature. Now that everything's done, you will see a list of calling apps that are compatible with this app like phone, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, etc. Next, open WhatsApp and place a voice call. If your app's working, you will see a pink colored widget on the calling screen. Now all your WhatsApp calls will be recorded automatically as soon as you pick them up. If the recording seems weird or you can't hear the caller's voice, head to Cube ACR app, open the recording section, scroll to the bottom and enable force in call mode. With this enabled, the app will treat VoIP calls as regular calls, due to which you will able to record caller's voice without any issues. So guys, that's it for this video. As mentioned earlier, recording calls on WhatsApp is tricky and doesn't guarantee 100% success every time. If you are convinced that recording a WhatsApp call is important, give this method a try. And if you like my content, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one.